State immigration regulation is a relatively new phenomenon. We hadn't seen any of it until I think roughly 2 years ago when I think Colorado and then maybe Arizona took the lead. And it's clearly a function of a federal vacuum. The feds have failed to grapple with the issue of immigration reform successfully. And in that vacuum, the states are trying to regulate. A lot of it, I think, is very populist. A lot of it is ineffective. A lot of it is laws going on the books that aren't being enforced. But nonetheless, they're issues that employers need to deal with. Now there are easily a dozen states in which HR administrators and employers need to be very aware of what the state immigration rules are. And that number is probably going to increase over time unless or until Congress and the White House come to terms on some type of comprehensive immigration reform. The states that probably have the most onerous state immigration laws right now are Arizona, Mississippi, and South Carolina. Colorado is a close second. Georgia is up there. And the Texas Attorney General recently announced that, in his opinion, the Texas legislature would be perfectly within its rights to pass a law very similar to Arizona's. If you're going to hire somebody in the state of Arizona and you're doing business in the state of Arizona, then your new hire needs to be run through E-Verify. And if you don't, and it turns out that that person's illegal, then you could lose your business license. And that model has withstood some fairly vigorous legal challenge. And it seems to be that that's the model that states are going to follow because it's been tested in the courts. A lot of people have questions about the effectiveness of E-Verify, but I think E-Verify is here to stay for a while, so we need to get used to it.